As mentioned previously, phrase 3 will begin with a diminished chord, followed by a minor chord, and then that pattern is sequenced lower for a diminished chord, followed by a major chord. Instead of thinking of the second chord as a minor chord and the fourth chord as a major chord, it could be better for you to learn it just thinking of the intervals of the right hand by itself. The right hand is playing an octave with a fifth. That's why we use finger 3, because that fits most naturally. If you were playing an octave and a fourth, we'd be using finger 2 instead. But for an octave and a fifth, you can always use finger 3 in the middle. The fourth chord is also an octave and a fifth, and it's also going to use finger 3. So we're sequencing this pattern of diminished chord, octave and fifth, and then it's sequenced to a lower pitch, diminished chord, octave and fifth. I recommend using a wide stretch for the diminished chord, a finger 2 to finger 4. It is a quite wide stretch, and I just like it because by putting 4 on the C sharp, it makes me think ahead to how that C sharp is going to resolve upward to D. That's one of the reasons why it's written on the paper as C sharp and not written as D flat, because sharp keys, if they're resolutions, will often resolve from the sharp upward. That's why it's written with a sharp and not written D flat. The note of D flat on the paper would imply that we are going to be going lower next. So the C sharp I like to play with finger 4 in order to anticipate resolving upward by a half step. And for the next diminished chord, I also like to play finger 4 on top to remind me that it's going to resolve upward by a half step to treble C with finger 5. Here it is for the right hand.